Today, Gray & Sons presents the assembly and replacement of a cracked watch crystal. After the watch has been disassembled piece by piece and carefully examined for any possibility of water damage, rust, or debris from the broken crystal, the watchmaker begins to install the new crystal. Using specialized tools and equipment, the crystal is hermetically sealed to the case. Once the watch parts are cleaned, the watchmaker begins putting the watch back together. The movement is recased into the watch, and the crown and all of the screws are put in place. Our watchmaker ensures the watch is running properly, adding lubricants wherever needed, replacing and lubricating gaskets for water resistance, and finally adding the case back. Now it's time for the final steps of our repair process. Before returning the client's watch, we execute a final quality control process to ensure the watch runs as accurately as possible. In this quality control, we measure the watch's amplitude using special machines that listen to the heartbeat of the watch. We also test the watch's water resistance with a machine that simulates a deep plunge using air pressure to check for leaks. At Gray & Sons, we pride ourselves in providing fine watch repair services, including the assembly and replacement of cracked crystals. For more information, please visit our showroom in Miami Beach or visit us online at www.grayandsons.com.